All right, we have Jules from Trippy's Piercings here. This is her second adjustment ever, correct?
Mm-hmm.
All right. You were voted #1 piercer in the state, right?
Yep.
Yep. That's right. Hear that? Breathe out. Good. Breathe this out. Now. Good. Now we're back. All right, so the neck is a little tight, sir.
Wow.
Good one. Here too. That's
Oh.
awesome.
Oh, wow.
Don't get up yet. Let that gel. So this is called the shark attack. This is the name of this adjustment. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Got it. Massage. Just increases circulation to the muscle, relaxes the muscle tissue.